Good morning students, welcome you all in today's physics class. Our today's topic is product of vectors. As you all know, vectors are the quantity which have both magnitude as well as direction. And now we have to do the product between the two vectors. We already have done the addition of vector, subtraction of vector, resolution of vector, but in today's class we will do the product between the two vectors. Before starting this topic, let us discuss the learning objective of today's topic. The main learning objective of today's topic, after completion of this topic, you will be able to find the product between the two vectors and you will be able to differentiate between two types of product, that is the dot product as well as the vector product between the two vectors. So let us start this topic. So this topic is the product between the two vectors. There are two types of product. One is known as dot product and other is known as cross product. Dot product is also known as the scalar product because its answer is only a scalar quantity. As you can see, dot product between the two vectors, that is vector A and vector B, is equals to A का magnitude, B का magnitude. Mode means the magnitude of two vector and cos of angle between them. Theta is the angle between the two vectors A and B. The next is, if the angle between the two vector is 90 degree, as you know, cos 90 is 0. So A dot B is equals to 0. Same, I dot J. I is the unit vector in x direction, J is the unit vector along y axis. So I dot J is also 0 because the theta between I cap and J cap is 90 degree and cos 90 is 0. It means I dot J, J dot K, K dot I is equals to 0. Next, if theta between the two vector is 0 degree, then cos 0 is equals to 1. So A dot B is equals to AB cos 0, that is 1. A का magnitude, B का magnitude. Now I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1. So why it is 1? Because I and I के बीच में angle क्या होगा? 0 degree. तो cos 0 1. So I dot I, J dot J and K dot K is also 1. The next is the example of dot product. So these are the formulae of dot product, that is A dot B is equals to AB cos theta, and agar you have to find out the theta, then cos theta is equals to A dot B over AB. AB क्या है हमारे पास? Magnitude of A and magnitude of V. As you already know how to calculate the magnitude of two vectors. अगर if angle is not given to you and you have to given A वेक्टर की वैल्यू और B वेक्टर की वैल्यू, तो सिंपल उसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट कर लेना है. तो डॉट प्रोडक्ट कैसे करेंगे? A x B x I डॉट I 1, A y B y J डॉट J 1, A z K z B z K dot K is 1. So first numerical is here. If the magnitude of two vector are 6 Newton and 3 Newton, दो वेक्टर्स का मैग्नीट्यूड दिया है and the magnitude of the resultant of dot product is 9 Newton. 9 Newton is also the magnitude of the resultant of two vectors. Then find the angle between them. As A is 6, B is 3 and A dot B is 9. So we have to use the formula cos theta is equals to A dot B over AB. A dot B का आंसर दिया, that is 9, A का दिया, B का दिया. By putting the value in this formula we get the answer, that is theta is equals to 60 degree. The next is a body constrained to move along the z-axis of a coordinate system is subjected to a constant force F. Force बेटा आपको दी गई है and force is given by this and displacement is also given, that is 4 meter, and you have to find the work done. Work done we have to find out. Here angle is not given to you. Here S is this. हमने S का उसने बोला है 4 meter along z axis. तो z axis में यूनिट वेक्टर कौन सा होता है? K कैप. तो S वेक्टर की वैल्यू आ गई हमारे पास 4 K कैप ओनली. I में कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, J में कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. So we can write the displacement as vector is equal to 0 I cap, 0 J cap plus 4 K cap meters. And force is also given to us. Now we have to find the dot product F dot S. So work done is equals to F dot S. Work is a scalar quantity. So force, by substituting the value of force and by substituting value of displacement, we can see I dot I1 but minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 4 K dot K 1. So from here we can find out the answer, that is 12 Newton. If angle is given to you, then you have to use A dot B is equals to AB cos theta. If angle is not given to you, you have to product the two vector like ax bx plus ay vy plus az vz, because the I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k is 1. The next is the cross product, that is the vector product of two vectors. Here vector product is a vector quantity, आंसर भी आपको एक vectors में मिलेगा, but if you have to find the magnitude of the vector product, then answer is only a number. See, so magnitude of the cross product is given by C vector का magnitude mode is equals to A vector cross B vector का mode, which is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into sin theta. Theta is the angle between the two vector, vector A and vector B. So C vector is a vector which is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. C vector is equals to A B sin theta n cap, where n cap is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. अगर वेक्टर निकालना है तो आपके पास ये आंसर आएगा. इफ़ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मैग्नीट्यूड, देन आंसर विल बी A B sin theta only. So a vector product creates a new vector. This vector is normal to the plane defined by the original vectors, and direction is found to be using screw rule. The next one is, if theta is 0, then sin 0, 0. So we have I cross I, j cross j, k cross k, 0. Cross product between the two same vector. I cross I means theta is 0, sin 0, 0. So I cross I 0, j cross j 0, k cross k 0. If theta is 90 degrees, sin 90 is 1. So we have I cross j is equals to k, j cross k is equals to I, and k cross I is equals to j. Means I cross j k, j cross k I, k cross I j cap. So we have the next numerical related to the cross product. See the numerical beta. The angle between A vector and B vector is 60 degree. What is the ratio of A dot B and A cross B का mode? सिर्फ magnitude we have to take. So A dot B का formula is AB cos theta. A cross B का formula is AB sin theta only. क्योंकि we have to find only the magnitude. AB cancel हो गया. We have cos theta over sin theta, that is cot theta, and cos 60 is 1 by root 3. This is the answer. The next example is, find the condition for the two vectors to be parallel and perpendicular to each other. What are